You can access the daily schedule which we have created along with a weekly schedule, monthly schedule, and a revision schedule. Three months before NEET MDS 2023, how are you feeling? Excited, tensed, worried, anxious, panicky, or no words to describe your feelings? Okay, let's deal with them a bit later. But before that, we're coming up with a new schedule keeping these 3 months in mind, that is December, January, and February. So you can access the daily schedule which we have created along with a weekly schedule, monthly schedule, and a revision schedule. WhatsApp us at 9052674820 to access the same. And most importantly, usually we say like we should focus on the process, do not get carried away by the result. And this time, let's enhance our strategy. And I want you to think about the result, but not in a negative way, but in a positive way. The source of negativity that we feel or face during preparation is because we visualize the end result as failure. But this time, I want you to consciously put some effort and visualize the end result as positive. Imagine that you cracked entrance. Imagine that you secured All India Rank 1. How would you feel? How would your parents feel? How would your friends feel? Of course, envious. So, keeping this visualization technique, you can enjoy the present moment and you can eliminate all the negativity and focus on the task at hand. So, I hope it's clear. Wish you all the best. Keep giving your best. Love you all.